slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? iReviewStuff back here once again, and today we're going to be taking an early look at these Yeezy Basketball Boost sneakers. I don't know the official name, but I believe they're just called Yeezy Basketballs. Not sure. Anyways, this is a exclusive, I guess, early look at these. If you guys are new to the channel and you like what you see, make sure you hit that like button down below, subscribe, turn on notifications, and last but not least, follow the Instagram. Link will be in the description as always. Without further ado, let's get into it. These are a UA pair of shoes, so no, they're not retail. So if you guys don't mess with that, just don't buy it. It's that easy. But if you want to take like an early look in hand, a quick little look, here's the place to be. And for all my new returning subscribers and supporters, welcome back. Anyways, let's get into it, guys. Sweating like a bucket right now. It's hot as hell. Like, it was just cold last few days, and now it's hot again, so I don't even know what's happening. Just came back from getting 2 cavities in my mouth filled, so my mouth's a little numb, so if I stumble over words or slur a little bit, that's why. Anyways, let's get into it, man. These came in about a week with EMS, super fast shipping. They are for my girl Bernice at ShoeOut. So without that being said, let's get into it for real. Before we get into the shoes though, quick, here is all the information. So that's the website, ShoeOut.ru. There's a WhatsApp, WeChat, Instagram is at bernicegerge. And if you use the code iReviewStuff, you can save $20 on your whole purchase. So there you go. Use it up, boys. Use it up. Anyways, let's get into it, man. No more stumbling. You can see the box is super plain. This is just like a sample box because these shoes haven't been released yet, as most of you know. I'm sure by now most of you know. So that's that. Let me just turn my fan on real quick because it's getting hot as a bit, so I'd like at least some fan going on.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Oh, okay. Anyways, that was my, I'm not even gonna say the name because you guys, like, she's acting up. That's my Amazon, you know what. Anyways, so these shoes, I don't know when they're exactly set to release. So box again is a sample box. By the way, if you hear crickets in the background, it's from my chameleon's cage. Like, that's why you guys hear crickets. Kind of annoying, but whatever. Hopefully you can hear my voice over them anyways. So yeah, I'm not sure when these shoes are set to release. We've seen Kanye wear them before, and now they're more well known because they've had like more pictures come out on foots and stuff like that. So anyways, let's get into it. The box, simple box, doesn't say anything on any side except this. It says Boost. On this side it says Yeezy Basketball, made by Adidas. Regular stuff we usually see on Adidas Yeezy boxes. And then here is sample stuff, so you can pause and take a look at that. It says to Matt George. So it looks super similar to when the Wave Runners first came out. This was like the sample box rep or UA companies were making for them, so same deal. On the inside, nothing but some paper. Not gonna take too long in the box because pretty simple stuff. The shoe hasn't even been released yet, so the box is super plain. Yeah, anyways, let's take a look at the shoes. You can see the 3M hits right off the jump. Here on the back there's a huge 3M panel, so all that is 3M, and then you can see like the zigzag lines underneath the prime knit is also 3M, so that's pretty dope. Definitely a cool look. On the front you got that hairy suede. It's kind of like suede or nubuck. It's like super hairy though, so kind of similar, reminiscent of the 700s, just how it's like cut and placed right at the front of the toe box. This is just some nice, like, it kind of feels like neoprene or foam to support, I guess, ankle support. Well, it's obviously not on the ankle, but just to make your foot comfortable, and it stretches out nice. By the way, yeah, this is a little like tag it came with. But yeah, so that's that. Inside of the shoe, you got the size tag right there, if I can get you guys a good look at it. Hopefully the fan's not blowing into the mic. I hope not, because this video would be a real mess if it was, so sorry about that if it is. But anyways, made in China, size 12.5. They don't have 13, so I just got 12.5, and I just tried these on. Super comfy fit. and I'm sure it would wear just fine if I were to wear it to like an 8-hour shift at work or whatever the case may be. Inside the shoe, it just says Yeezy and Adidas. You got some suede here on the ankles, and the cool thing is the tongue kind of stretches out a little bit. Has like this nice stretch because it separates. It kind of connects as well, like the tongue kind of connects to the ankle collar. So you can definitely tell it's like made for ball for sure. But that's basically like the quick little overview of all the main components of like the top of the shoe. Just regular rope laces, just regular black laces. You can see here too the actual prime knit itself. It's the same like prime knit that's used on Yeezys, same knit and all that, and it has that like see-through part just like the static 350s do. So there's that. Midsole, kind of clear-ish. You can see the boost on the inside as well. And here is the bottom of the shoe. So you got grooves all throughout. Nothing actually on the front in terms of exposed boost, but you do have a little boost panel right here. So there's the boost. It just says boost on it. Typical boost that we've been seeing, BASF. Nice quality. You can see the 3M really popping because I got the flash on. So nothing on the back. Pretty simple. Otherwise, there's not too much to talk about with the shoe. Super simple, but it's also like pretty unique in terms of how it looks and stuff like that. And just like top down, like the shape kind of reminds me of the Yeezy 500s, with just like the bulging out on the sides. Midsole is not by any means soft. Like it's kind of soft, but it's not like super soft where you can squish and feel like the boost on the inside. That's just because of the midsole material itself. You got to remember, this for the most part isn't a casual walking shoe. That's how I'm going to be using it, but it is made for ball at the end of the day, so it does need to be made out of like some tougher materials to withstand court play obviously and all that. So let me know what you guys' thoughts are on the shoe. You guys think it's heat? You guys think it's trash? Let me know what you guys think about the Yeezy 350 V3s as well, because I'm probably going to some way end up reviewing a pair of those. I do not like them, but I think I got a black pair on the way soon enough, so you'll see a review on the 350 V3s. I'm not a fan. Let me know your guys' thoughts about them as well as these in the comment section down below. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do. If you keep showing love to my returning viewers, appreciate it a lot. Let's aim for like 30 likes on this video if you can, guys. And if you have any other questions about the shoe, or you want me to send pictures on Instagram on my free time if I can, DM me on there, follow me on there. Link will be in the description below. It's at iReviewStuff TV. With all that being said, guys, hopefully y'all have a blessed week, blessed weekend. Yeezy basketball, boys and girls. Let me know your thoughts. Comment section down below. With all that being said, stay safe out there, guys, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.